Okay, hello everybody. It's Monday. Today we are going to be talking about comparing unit fractions. And when I say unit fractions, I mean a fraction with a 1 up top. Okay? So, here it is, sorry. Let me just stick this on here. So it has a 1 in the numerator. Okay? So I made this handy dandy chart to show you if I take a fraction bar that is the same size, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 that are the same size, and start dividing them into the unit fractions, then you're able to compare them and say that one fraction is bigger than another. So the first one we have here is the whole thing. So we're calling that 1 whole. The next one I divided into 2 equal parts. So each part is 1/2. Remember, 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2. The next bar I've divided into 1, 2, 3 equal parts. So each part is 1/3. 1/3, 1/3, 1, 2, 3. 3/3 equals 1 whole. The next one I've divided into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each one is a 1/4. The next one I've divided into 5ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 equals 5/5, which equals 1. This next one, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This next one is divided into 7ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the final one is divided into 8ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But the overall length is the same for all of these. Okay? So, what we're going to do is we're going to use the greater than or less than symbol and compare different fractions. For example, 1/3. Here's 1/3. And we're going to compare it to 1/7. Now, looking at this chart, you should be able to recognize which one is bigger. Okay? Now, looking at them, I realize that 1/3 is bigger than 1/7. So, remember how it works is the alligator mouth points to the bigger number. So 1/3 is greater than 1/7. Okay? Now, looking at the next one, 1/3 compared to 1/2. So here is 1/3. Here is 1/2. Okay? Which one is bigger? That's right. 1/3 is less than 1/2. Okay? Now, comparing 1/6 and 1/7. Here is 1/6. Here is 1/7. Let's have the alligator mouth point to the fraction that is bigger. So, this reads 1/6 is greater than 1/7. Okay, now it's your turn. You're going to copy these 6 problems on a separate piece of paper, and then you are going to place the greater than or less than symbol. I have included this chart as a picture in the document, so you can refer to that while you're doing your work if you would like to, or you can refer to the video, whichever is easier for you to see. So, you're going to go ahead and pause the video, and when you come back, we'll go over these 6 problems. And I'm going to check on Toby. Okay, I'm back. Toby didn't break anything. Okay, so the first one we're going to compare is 1/3 and 1/8. So here is 1/3. Here is 1/8. So 1/3 is greater than 1/8. Okay, 1/2 and 1/4, which is bigger? Here's 1/2, here's 1/4. So 1/4 is less than 1/2. Okay? 1/5 and 1/8. Here's 1/5, here's 1/8. So 1/5 is greater than 1/8. Okay, as long as I'm on this side, I'll go ahead and do this one. 1/6 and 1/8. So 1/6 is greater than 1/8. Okay, now 1/4 compared to 1/7. 1/4 is greater than 1/7. Okay, and our last one for today, 1/8 compared, or I'm sorry, 1/2 compared to 1/8. 1/8 or 1/2 is greater than 1/8. Okay, so that's comparing unit fractions. On Wednesday, we will continue this and look at some fractions put together. All right, ciao.